Hi, I'm Seng. So today we'll introduce you Borneo Beach Villa at Karambunai. Are you looking for the place to stay for your holiday? A place that's far from the city? The place that can listen to the melody of the sea? Borneo Beach Villa, a right place for you to stay. So in this villa, we have two rooms, which is the medium room and the master room. Let's review it. So in this medium room, we have two single beds. Okay, so in this master room, we have the king size bed, the jacuzzi, and the sea view. If you are the newlywed couples or you want to celebrate your anniversary, please do not hesitate to visit here because they have a special decoration for you. You also can rent bicycle here. Barbecue pit are provided during your stay. You can enjoy a variety of breakfast here in BBB Cafe and free panoramic sea view.